Methane mitigation matters. Biogas. Methane gas is produced from the decay of organic matter in municipal solid waste landfills, agriculture and livestock management systems, and wastewater treatment facilities. Fortunately, this methane can be captured and used as biogas. Biogas can be used to generate electricity or to replace conventional fuels, such as natural gas or coal, in heaters, boilers, vehicles, or other systems.
The majority of municipal solid waste is deposited into landfills, and the organic waste decaying in these landfills accounts for about 11% of man-made methane emissions globally. Landfills continue to emit methane even if they are no longer used. Municipal solid waste is the third largest source of methane emissions worldwide. Landfill gas is commonly collected from vertical wells placed directly in the waste, and connecting these wells to pipes that transport the landfill gas to a combustion device. In Ukraine, landfill gas is being extracted from the closed Mariupol landfill. Some of this gas is being recovered and sold to the grid, while captured heat is used on site. The facility is reducing methane emissions by 8,700 metric tons of carbon dioxide equivalent annually, which is equal to preventing more than 2,800 metric tons of waste from being sent to a landfill each year.
Wastewater treatment systems contribute about 7% of total global man-made methane emissions and are the fifth largest source of these emissions worldwide. Wastewater treatment plants can build or retrofit equipment called digesters that break down waste and facilitate the use of captured methane. They can also install biogas capture systems at open-air lagoons or covered lagoons. In Chile, La Farfana wastewater treatment plant is producing biogas from its digesters that is then upgraded and distributed to industrial, commercial, and residential customers in the Santiago metropolitan region. La Farfana is achieving annual methane emission reductions of more than 26,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide equivalent annually, which is equal to eliminating the emissions from nearly 5,500 cars annually.
Methane emitted from livestock manure management systems accounts for about 4% of man-made methane emissions globally. Methane is also emitted from the management of agro-industrial operations, such as tapioca production and distilleries. Methane can be captured using readily available technologies that can be scaled to both small farms and large operations. In Thailand, the KOS farm is capturing methane emissions from swine manure. The farm generates power from biogas and also uses a digester to treat its wastewater. The project is reducing methane emissions by more than 4,500 metric tons of carbon dioxide equivalent annually, which is equal to carbon sequestered by growing more than 115,000 tree seedlings for 10 years.
Mitigating methane matters. Recovering and using biogas at municipal landfills, agricultural operations, and wastewater treatment plants can reduce methane emissions while also controlling odors, improving water quality, and generating energy that reduces fossil fuel use. For more information, visit www.globalmethane.org.